Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to continuing with our Geography Chapter 5, Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. Students, yesterday we were studied about meaning of natural vegetation, factors responsible for diversity in flora and fauna, and why forests are important for human beings. Now today I will explain you about types of vegetation. In this I will explain you tropical evergreen or rainforest, tropical deciduous forest, tropical thorn forest and scrubs and montane forest. Now students, types of vegetations. The following major types of vegetations may be identified in our country. First, tropical evergreen forest. Second, tropical deciduous forests. Third, tropical thorn forest and scrubs. Fourth, montane forest. And fifth, mangrove forest. Now, students, tropical evergreen forest. These forests are restricted to heavy rainfall areas of the Western Ghats and the island groups of Lakshadweep, Andaman and Nicobar, upper parts of Assam and Tamil Nadu coast. They are there they are at their best in areas having more than 200 centimeter of rainfall with a short dry season. The trees reach great height up to 60 meters or even above since the region is warm and wet throughout the year. It has a luxuriant vegetation of all kinds, trees, shrubs, and creepers, giving it a multi-layered structure. There is no definite time for trees to shade their leaves. As such, these forests appear green all the year around. Some of the commercial important trees of this forest are ebony, mahogany, rosewood, rubber, and cinchona. The common animals found in these forests are elephant, monkey, lemur, and deer. One horned rhinoceros are found in the jungles of Assam and West Bengal. Beside these animals, plenty of birds, bats, sloth, scorpions, and snails are also found in these jungles. Now, students, tropical deciduous forest. These are the most widespread forest of India. They are also called the monsoon forest and spread all over the region, receiving rainfall between 200 centimeter and 70 centimeter. Trees of these forest type shed their leaves for about 6 to 8 weeks in dry summer. On the basis of availability of water, these forests are further divided into moist and dry deciduous. The former is found in areas the former is found in areas receiving rainfall between 200 and 100 centimeter. These forests exist therefore mostly in the eastern part of the country, northeastern states along the foothills of Himalayas, Jharkhand, West Odisha and Chhattisgarh, and on the eastern slopes of Western Ghats. Teak is the most dominant species of this forest. Bamboos, sal, shisham, sandalwood, kher, kusum, arjun, and mulberry are other commercially important species. Now, the dry deciduous forests are found in areas having rainfall between 100 centimeter and 70 centimeter. These forests are found in the rainier part of the Peninsula Plateau and the plains of Bihar and Uttar Pradesh. There are open stretches in which teak, sal, people, and neem grow. A large part of this region has been cleared for cultivation, and some parts are used for grazing. In these forests, the common animals found are lion, tiger, pig, deer, and elephant. A huge variety of birds, lizards, snakes, and tortoises are also found here. Now, the thorn forest and scrubs. In region with the less than 70 centimeter of rainfall, the natural vegetation consists of thorny trees and bushes. This type of vegetation is found in the northwestern part of the country, including semi arid areas of Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Uttar Pradesh, and Haryana. Acacias, palms, Euro Hobos and cacti are the main plant species. Trees are scattered and have a long roots penetrating deep into the soil in order to get moisture. The stems are succulent to conserve water. Leaves are mostly thick and small to minimize evaporation. These forests give way to thorn forest and scrubs in arid areas. Now, students, in these forests, the common animals are rat, mice, rabbits, fox, wolf, tiger, lion, ass, horses, and camels. Now, students, mountain forest. In mountainous area, the decrease in temperature with increasing altitudes leads to the corresponding change in natural vegetation. As such, there is a succession of natural vegetation belt in the same order as we see from the tropical to the tundra region. The wet temperate type of forest are found between a height of 1000 and 2000 meter. Evergreen broadleaf trees such as oaks and chestnuts are predominate. Between 1500 and 3000 meters, temperate forest containing coniferous forest like pine, deodar, silver, fir, spruce, and cedar are found. These forests cover mostly the southern slopes of the Himalayas, places having high altitude in the southern and northeast India. At the higher elevation, temperate grasslands are common. At altitude, high altitudes, generally more than 3600 meter above the sea level, temperate forest and grasslands give way to alpine vegetation. Silver fir, juniper, pines, and birches are the common trees of these forests. However, they get progressively stunted as they approach the slow line. Ultimately, through shrubs and scrubs, they merge into the alpine grasslands. These are used extensively for grazing by nomadic tribes like Gujars and Buckavalls. At higher altitudes, mosses and lichens form a part of tundra vegetation. The common animal found in these forests are Kashmiri stag, spotted deer, wild sheep, jack, rabbit, Tibetan antelope, yak, snow leopard, squirrels, shaggy horned wild ibex, bear, and rare red panda, sheep and goats with thick hair. Thank you, students.